So now let's see how we can utilize Twirl and Wave Warp effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So to work around with those, I'm going to go around under effects right here, and you can see that Twirl and Wave Warp is in effect right here. If I were to click and drag in the twirl right here, just like this on this clip, then what happens is that it's applied right here. So what you can do is change around the angle of the twirl and wrap, as you can see, and change around the twirl radius just like this as well. So you can go around and see that you can change around the twirl center, as you can see right here, just like this as well. Let me just go around and change around the angle over here, and you can change around the twirl center over here by clicking and dragging it out wherever you like. So that is what you have right here. Let me just go around and delete it and then go to effects over here. So Twirl is one effect and other is Wave Warp. So if I were to go around and click and drag it out right here, then you can see that you can change around the height over here just like this, over here, right here. So let me just go around and then press Ctrl Z, and you can see that you can change around the height over here to, let's say for example 5 right here, just like this, and there's a wave each 5 pixel. You can go around and change around the wave width over here just like this as well, and then that is what you have, as you can see. If I were to go around and change around the direction, then you can see that that is what you have. You can go around and change around the wave speed as well, and then change around different things. You can make it square over here just like this as well. Let me just go around and change around the height over here to, let's say for example 15 right here, just like this, and then let me just go around over here, type in 15 over here, so we only have 15 sections, and you can see that the wave is much more like square right now. You can go for triangle type of wave as well. You can go for sawtooth type of wave as well, circular wave, as you can see right here, semicircle wave, there's uncircle wave right here, there's noise, as you can see right here, that you can add in, or smooth noise over here just like this as well. And you can go around and change around the height accordingly right here. Let me just go around and type in 20 right here. So you can go around and change around the direction over here as well, and change around the wave speed, and then pin out the edges over here as well, like left top edge, you can pin it out, and then what happens is that it pins it out right here. Let me just go around over here. You can go for pin out all of the edges over here, or the top edge right here, the bottom edge, and so forth over here as well. And this is how you can utilize the Twirl and Wave Warp effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.